Mike here with MGK Pools, and I want to show you one of my little tricks. And you might have seen me pumping some real serious heavy sediment and algae on the bottom of a pool straight to waste.
Hugo over here vacuuming the waste.
And there's the trick to it. So pool opening season's coming, and so this is just a traditional above ground, and they put these little vents here. So if algae clogs up these bristles, these will open up and the vacuum won't stick to the floor. So these are from years and years of service. And so if I open a pool that's got light algae, I want as many bristles as I possibly can. So, you know, I might, if it's really light, I won't use what I call one with a haircut. So I got haircuts on all of these heads here. So it's a gap in the bristles. Like this one here's got 1, 2, 3, it's got 6 haircuts. So the bristles are cut in all these spots. So when the algae tries to seal this thing and it gets stuck to the floor, because these have all broken, they used to have them too, I tape them up now. These have been out of commission for a while. Now this one here has only got 3 haircuts. So again, a mild algae bottom, I got 3 haircuts. So that way there, again, the algae, if you didn't have these haircuts, because these things break real quick, so you need to have relief. So by putting the haircuts the way I do, I'm not missing any of the floor. This is gonna cover this opening, and this is gonna cover these openings. So as I'm going along, my vacuum pole isn't gonna get stuck to the bottom. So here I got my vacuum hose running to my side pump, that's pumping everything straight to waste.
Vacuum head just pumping algae right out of the pool, right down that pump.
And here's another one here. Look at the haircuts on this guy. I got a couple giant ones there, and then a couple giant ones here, and a little haircut here too. And you know, these have been, I usually have 5 on the truck when I go open pools. And that's how I get pools from super green to clean in a couple days. You know, I grew up with a grandmother who took at least a month to get her pool clear. And, you know, pool people in the area that had professional services come, they were swimming in 2 days. And, you know, back then as a kid, I didn't know what was going on. I just tried to help as much as possible. But this is the trick. Don't try to filter that algae. Don't do it. Filters aren't made to clean pools. They're made to keep clean pools clear. So if you get into a mess, you need to vacuum that right out of the pool directly. And this is gonna let you keep going. Let me show you something else. Look at this debris pot, right? Your pump is gonna have just this tiny little debris pot. So you're vacuuming the waste. As soon as that little debris pot fills up, you lose suction, you're not vacuuming good. I got this at a trade show one time. This is my debris pot. It's got a big old massive basket in here, if it'll come out. Yep. Right? Compare that to your in-ground pool pump basket. That way there, I can keep going. So a nice big debris basket helps, but put some cuts in your vacuum head bristles. Mike with MGK Pools, hope it helped.